Hi, myself Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to discuss about what are the needs of HMI in industry purpose. Okay, in last video, we have discussed about what is HMI and then what are the function of HMI and then what are the elements of HMI. Those things we have discussed. Okay, in this video, for the safety purpose and then why for the needs of public HMI actually for the safety purpose and then for the clarity and then for the proper values we can use the HMI functions. Okay, so for the safety purpose, people don't want to go to the remote areas and then don't want to work with some work substations. Okay, so we can control all those works by giving the sensor signals by single input devices. Okay, so people who don't want to touch the our all kind of mechanical equipments. Okay, and then system perspective, HMI it will improve the ability of view alarms and status informations. Those things we can see easily. Okay, and then we don't want to measure all those things in our mechanical equipments. Okay, and the response time, clarity, value, those things are in accuracy way we can see the all those kind of values in properly. Okay, so next one is the types of HMI screens. Okay, so we have a three type of HMI screen. One is the data handler, another is a push button replacer, another overseer. In data handler, so we'll be having a yeah, the screen like how the mechanical equipment are working and then what are the elements are in the mechanical industry devices. Okay, you can see the all those kind of elements in your systems. Okay, and then each element will work accordingly what we are giving the inputs. Okay, so that's we can control by using our data handler systems. Okay, that means the data representation graphical systems are available in our systems. Okay, in push button replacer, we can giving the all kind of parameters by giving a some kind of push buttons. Okay, so we can increase the data, we can reduce the data by using some kind of push buttons. Okay, in overseer, the HMI beneficial when the application involves the MES or SCADA system, the overseer requires the multiple Ethernet ports will usually need the two round windows. Okay, so basically we have a three kind of HMI screen. One is a data handler, it will based on graphical representation, and is a push button replacer, it is based on normally input switches, and then final with the overseer. Okay, so then next one, advantage of HMI system. So HMI it gives the alarm and then warnings for the exited data, and then it gives the many kind of alarm preventives the data reaches the emergency level. Okay, and also the alarm can track this several different problems and then increase the productivity, optimize the manufacturing process. Okay, in reliable messaging, when the machine should be refilled when because of low fuel level. Okay, so it may give it may give us some kind of input to the user, and then it may refill the fuel automatically by some kind of feedbacks. Okay, and then easier overall management in plant level. Okay, so it manage the so easily manage the all kind of recipe databases and then resolve the security issues, and then high quality HMO system provides the reality views of plants operations. That may we can see our types of HMI. Then the like you can see the data handler. Okay, this is a very important advantages for in while you are using HMI. Okay, so next one, in HMI, it's a many kind of accurate testing with the simulation devices also available. In cost reduction systems reduction, comparing to other kind of input output devices, HMI giving the low kind of cost compared to others. Okay, like it is reducing the hundreds of selectors, push buttons, indicator lights. So we don't want to buy it. Okay, so we can give the signals by using some sensor screen itself. Okay, and also improved communication devices like Ethernet port and the data highway plus and the DD, dynamic data exchange, remote input output, serial port. Those things are to add to the HMI. It benefits to to share the data to any kind of PLC devices and then any kind of industry operations. So we can we can easily communicate, and then the communicating accuracy will get increased while we are using the HMI. Okay, these are the some advantages of HMI. So remaining things we can see in our next video. Thank you for watching. Okay.
Right, thanks.